For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dump trailer business can be a lucrative venture, especially as demand for hauling and construction equipment services continues to grow. Using free AI tools can streamline many parts of the business setup process, from planning and marketing to customer communication and financial management. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to launch your dump trailer business efficiently using free AI, with suggested prompts and tools to support each stage. Step 1. Research the dump trailer market and competition. Before diving into the business, you need a clear understanding of the dump trailer market and your competitors. Use AI-driven web research tools such as ChatGPT or Google Bard to gather data on local demand, pricing, popular trailer models, and customer preferences. For example, you can use ChatGPT with this prompt. Analyze the current market trends for dump trailer rental and sales in your city/state. Include competitor prices, popular trailer sizes, and customer needs. This will help you build a foundational knowledge base to identify your niche and competitive advantages. Step 2. Define your business model and services. Decide whether your dump trailer business will focus on rentals, sales, or both. You may also consider additional services like trailer maintenance or hauling assistance. To clarify your business plan, use AI to draft a comprehensive outline. You can prompt ChatGPT. Create a detailed business plan outline for a dump trailer business offering rentals and sales, including target customers, services, revenue streams, and growth strategies. This outline will give you a roadmap to develop your business and make key decisions on investment and operations. Step 3. Choose your business name and register your business. Use AI power name generators to brainstorm a catchy, relevant business name. Tools like Namelix or the business name function within ChatGPT can generate creative options. For instance, suggest 10 unique business names for a dump trailer rental and sales company targeting construction contractors and homeowners. After selecting a name, you'll need to register your business with your local government and secure the necessary licenses or permits. AI can assist here too. ChatGPT can help you understand the registration process and legal requirements based on your location. Explain the business registration and licensing requirements for a dump trailer rental business in your state. Step 4. Develop a financial plan and budget. Understanding startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections is crucial. Use AI to generate a financial plan template and customize it for your dump trailer business. You can prompt ChatGPT. Create a financial plan including startup costs, monthly expenses, revenue forecasts, and break-even analysis for a dump trailer rental and sales business. This helps you estimate how much capital you'll need, when you might turn a profit, and how to price your services competitively. Step 5. Source your dump trailers and equipment. Finding reliable suppliers or manufacturers is key to your inventory. Use AI-powered product research tools like Google Shopping or industry-specific forums to identify reputable dump trailer sellers. You can ask ChatGPT for supplier suggestions and comparison. List trusted dump trailer manufacturers and distributors suitable for a small to medium-sized rental business. This saves time by compiling options and helping you weigh pros and cons. Step 6. Create a marketing plan and brand presence. Attracting customers will make or break your business, so create a detailed marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to generate a full marketing plan tailored to your target audience. Try. Develop a marketing plan for a dump trailer rental and sales business targeting contractors and homeowners, including digital marketing, local advertising, and partnerships. For branding, AI tools like Canva can help you design logos, flyers, and social media graphics easily with templates and drag-and-drop functionality. You can also generate social media post ideas by prompting ChatGPT. Create 10 social media post captions to promote dump trailer rentals to construction companies. Step 7. Build a website and online booking system. A professional online presence is essential. Use AI website builders like Wix ADI or Zyro, which offer free tiers with AI-assisted design. These tools ask questions about your business and automatically generate tailored website layouts. You can instruct ChatGPT to generate website content. Write homepage and services page text for a dump trailer rental and sales business website. Additionally, integrate free online booking tools like Square Appointments or Calendly to let customers reserve trailers online easily. Step 8. Set up customer service and communication channels. Providing excellent customer service helps build trust and repeat business. Use AI chatbots such as Tidio, Free Tier, or MiniChat to automate responses on your website or social media. ChatGPT can help you craft chatbot conversation scripts. Write a chatbot script to answer common questions about dump trailer rental availability, pricing, and pickup. Also, set up email templates for quotes, booking confirmations, and follow-ups using free tools like Gmail combined with AI-generated drafts from ChatGPT. Step 9. Establish operations and safety protocols. Ensure your dump trailer business operates smoothly by creating clear policies for trailer maintenance, rental agreements, and safety procedures. Use AI to draft these documents. For example, generate a sample rental agreement for a dump trailer rental business, including terms, liability waivers, and maintenance responsibilities. Safety is critical, so develop checklists and guidelines, which AI can help create with prompts like, create a daily maintenance and safety inspection checklist for dump trailers. Step 10. Launch and monitor your business performance. Once everything is set, launch your dump trailer business with a marketing push. Use free AI analytics tools like Google Analytics and Social Media Insights to monitor traffic, leads, and customer engagement. ChatGPT can help interpret data and suggest improvements. Analyze this monthly sales data for a dump trailer rental business and suggest ways to increase revenue. Continuously refine your operations, marketing, and customer service based on data and AI recommendations. In conclusion, starting a dump trailer business using free AI tools can significantly reduce the time, effort, and cost involved in launching your venture. From market research and business planning to marketing, customer communication, and ongoing management, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix ADI, and Tidio offer powerful assistance. By following this structured step-by-step approach and leveraging AI's capabilities, you'll position your business for success in a competitive marketplace. Starting with a solid plan and using technology to your advantage, you can build a thriving dump trailer rental and sales company with confidence. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.